Are you dealing personal or business tax issues or having IRS problems? Are you facing potential levies, wage garnishments or tax penalties? Owing taxes to the IRS and/or local authorities can be stressful, and failure to take action can quickly worsen your situation. An experienced tax attorney understands how the system works and can help find the best possible solution for your situation. Luckily for you, we're the local trusted tax attorney that will help you not only to deal with the IRS, but also reduce your tax debt, eliminate tax disputes, and negotiate IRS payments. We can use a variety of proven strategies to help resolve your tax problems and possibly even pay much less than you currently owe. If you've been contacted by the IRS, do not reply to them before speaking with us first. Give us a call today for ethical tax representation and to discuss all of your possible solutions.